In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of a Typeform. This is a really useful feature if you want to create more professional branded links that are easier to remember and share with your audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. If you're looking to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. This will take you directly to the site where you can create or manage your forms. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to typeform.com. Once you arrive on the website, look for the Login button. It's usually situated right at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking for your credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready so you can access your account without a hitch. Once you've entered your details, hit that Login button. After logging in, you're going to land on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all of your existing forms neatly displayed. Now, if you already have a form you'd like to customize, simply click on the name of that form to navigate into it. If you're starting fresh, don't worry, you can create a new form at this point too. Just follow the prompts to get it set up. Either way, this action will take you into the form editor where you can make all your customizations. Now that you're in the form editor, look towards the top of the page for the Share button. Click on it. This is an important step because this action will automatically publish your form if it hasn't been published yet. Go ahead and give it a few moments to load the page. During this time, Typeform will process the publishing settings and generate your shareable link. Once the page is finished loading, you will be greeted with various sharing options. It's time to click the Edit button. This space is your portal to the URL customization settings. Here's a critical point to keep in mind. To customize your Typeform URL, you need to upgrade your account. The URL customization feature is not available on the free plan, so if you want to access this feature, you'll need to select one of Typeform's paid plans. Upgrading your account allows you to tap into more professional branding options, which can significantly help your form stand out in the crowd. Now, let's say you've gone ahead and upgraded your account. You're now ready to customize your URL. The process is smooth and aligns with the same steps we took earlier. Head back to the Share section of your form, click Edit again, and this time you'll notice a new field for URL customization is now available to you. Exciting, right? In the right-hand URL field, you can start typing your desired custom text. Think carefully about what you want to input here. It's your opportunity to add something memorable and on-brand. You might want to use your company name or perhaps a specific campaign identifier. Just keep in mind that clarity is essential. You want your audience to know exactly what they're clicking on when they see the link. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Typeform URL, turning it into something much more professional and easier to share. This small step can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your forms. So the next time you want to share a link, you can feel confident knowing that your URL reflects your brand perfectly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching and happy form building.